I don't know if he doesn't know what his position is.
The National Weather Service in Greenville-Spartanburg has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for north central Anderson County in upstate South Carolina until 2:30 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 1:59 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located 7 miles northwest of Anderson or near North Lake, moving east at 25 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect damage to trees and power lines. Locations impacted include Sandy Springs and North Lake. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Please report damaging winds, hail, or flooding to the National Weather Service by calling toll-free 1-800-267-8101 or by posting on our Facebook page or tweet it using hashtag NWSGSP. Your message should describe the event and the specific location where it occurred. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 2:30 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following county: Anderson, South Carolina.
VisionWorks. See the difference.
Why give your family just any eggs?